Hi there, I'm Cheryl. Welcome to Texture Paste Techniques for Cards class. Have you been in your local store or online and seen jars of texture paste and thought, no, that's for mixed media, I can't use those on my cards? You absolutely can. There's some fun techniques that you can use using texture paste with other common card making supplies for your cards, and this class will show you lots of them. Now, these techniques can absolutely also be used for mixed media and art journaling, but they're not exclusive to that. So let me show you what we're going to do. In this class, we are going to be doing cards with 7 different techniques using both texture paste as well as some common card making supplies. We're going to be using glitter, we're going to be using embossing powders, embossing glazes, crackle paste, as well as the regular texture paste. We're also going to be using some colored sprays and mica sprays, as well as alcohol inks, and then I'll show you how to simply paint with texture paste on your palette. With this class, you'll also get a supply list that is divided between each one of the cards, as well as the supplies used for each one. And those supplies are linked to where you can source them, so you can spend a lot more time crafting and not spend that time sourcing your supplies. So let's go make some cards with texture paste.